Hi everyone, in this video tutorial, we are going to demonstrate you how to deploy your web application into the Azure. We are going to demonstrate you different method or different way for deploying your web application into the Azure. We are deploying using the Visual Studio. We are showing how to deploy using the zip. You can make your application in a zip file or publish as a zip and deploy into the Azure. We are also show you how to deploy using the Git. If you have the uploaded your code into the Git and you want to upload into application into the web services, Azure web app or Azure virtual machine or Azure Kubernetes or Azure Docker container. So how you can achieve? We demonstrate you each example so you can understand there is how many way or how many way you can publish your application into the Azure. We also show you the CI/CD pipeline for continue integration and continue development using Git. We can show you using Git. We can also show you the Azure repository, how you can use your DevOps, how you create the pipelines. So if you are beginner and you want to learn the Azure DevOps as a developer, because you are a developer and want to learn the Azure DevOps, because developer has now in the current market, everyone looking for you should have the knowledge of the cloud technology. So if you are a developer and want the application how to deploy, so this video series is a very important for you. Or if you are a mid-level developer or experienced developer, so you can refer this as a how you, if you forget some step, like how you giving the slot deployment slot or how you use the app setting variable connection restrict, so you can refer for this. So not only this video series is for the beginner as well as the intermediate developer or expert developer, you can use for the just for reminding purpose. So stay with us. We will give you at least 10 to 12 video and demonstrate you each method separately, like how to deploy into the Kubernetes cluster, how you create the virtual machine and write the CI/CD pipeline, what are the how to create the SQL server, how you give the connection string, how you give the permission. So all the basic requirement or all the basic thing you would require for developing or deploying the app, we are considering into this series of videos. For this video tutorial, we require the Azure free subscription. You can subscribe for 1 month and Visual Studio and the basic knowledge of .NET, .NET Core or Node.js. So if you have the basic knowledge of Node.js, either .NET, then it will be the sufficient. We mostly focusing on the deploying your application, not the developing your application. So stay with us and keep watching each tutorial. It will might be helpful. Thank you for